Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and welcome to issue 6 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, the car from madmax, folks, the last of the V8 interceptors, yes. And this is from the wonderful folks over at Hachette. So if you want to grab it, click this link all the way along there. It's in the description below, and you can be building along with me this 1/8 scale model. Look at it. There's your list of parts, folks. There's your windows and sprockets and everything for the inner workings of the door. Your concise instructions there showing you where everything is going to be going. All the locking plates, mechanisms and all of that lot, as well as the hinge. Keep an eye out for the hinge as well, because it needs to go in a certain way. There's the last bit there, fitting in the glass and getting all your sprockets ready and cogs and everything for future issues, folks. Next up, the history there is the European Falcon Mark 1. Looks a lot different to me. Yes. History of the Ford Falcon there again, turns to the Mercury. There's a Mark II Jag. This was Quantum of Solace from 2008, cars on screen. We then got Language of Customization. This is the American lowrider scene where the cars can bounce up and down and pretty much dance on the ground. And then the big old gassers there, look at that. What a thing of beauty. And yeah, they can certainly make a racket as well. And then the patinaed look on cars. Panelless cars there where they've taken off all the fenders, and then stuck cars there that have been lowered and stanced. Beautiful what you can do with your cars. So let's flip back and grab our parts, and we can do a bit more assembly. Alright, so let's grab our door, like so. It says we want part number 6G, which is that, and that is going on there, something like so. Okay, what I want to do, have something soft to lay that on. Alright, I've got little lugs there that will hold that from stopping it wobbling, and that's going in with a DS02 screw, folks, into die cast. So let's grab a bit of oil like that, and then we can put that in place like that. So that's that done. Step number 3, take the window and fit the largest slot in the stem of the raised screw socket. Happy days. Like so. Press that in like that, Cole. That's where that bit of felt comes in handy, see, stops it scratching the window. This part's going to go on this peg, and then this section here is going to pop up in there, like so. And then that will be secured with a DS02 screw on the side there. So let's grab that, like so. And we'll grab that, drop that in there. That'll keep the window in situ, and a PS6 screw near the centre part in there. So let's find our PS06 or 05, sorry, is in there. Little bit of oil on there, even though it's going into plastic, I'll still put a bit of oil on it. And this will tap itself in as it goes in anyway. There you go, so that's in situ now. And then your window will slide up thusly. Right, we now want to grab our door hinge. And it's telling us the bar fits on the channelling door, the flat panel on the bar outlined in orange facing upwards. And this is the flat panel they mean, this part. Okay, it's not on the other side, it's on that side only. If you're not sure, look at the angle. You want that angle coming down like a set of stairs, sitting like so. Okay, that's what you want. That is then going to sit just inside the door in there, and then the spring plate is going to go across and hold that in place. Okay, so let's grab that now. No, that's fine. Let's just pop that in place like so, and that is held in with a DS04 screw, folks, which is one of these up there. Let's grab that, put a bit of oil in like so, and send that in that large hole there in that piece of steel. Acts as a spring. Fully tighten it, and that's that hinge in place then. See, that's doing its thing already. Fit the small cog 6D over the raised screw. So there's the small cog 6D. So we'll do that just like so. Fit the large cog 6B, which is that one, the large cog, on the adjacent raised screw, which is that one, like that. And then the medium cog 6C on the raised screw, so when you turn it, the other cogs will rotate. Okay, and you want that with the top hat facing upwards, according to that. So that's what we want. Apparently when you turn that, everything else will move like that. See, which it does. So I'm happy with that. It does what we want. Let's bring the window down. There you go. So that's what it's telling us. And then 6D has a DS04 screw. So let's grab that. We'll whop a bit of oil in there. That still works. Happy days. That's a DS17, which is that one. That goes in on 6C, or the medium size, which is down there. So let's get that screwdriver back in. There you go, that's in place. And then the last but no means least, the last of the screws is a DS04 on the middle one, like so. There you go. That's what we want, okay? And then that will let you raise and lower the window at your leisure. Oh, beautiful. So that's where we are, folks, on there. Okay. Absolutely stunning, isn't it? So, folks, if you'd like to build along with me, head over to this link all the way along there. Pop. That will take you to the Hachette website where you can grab yourself this wonderful Partwork. Also, whilst you're there, just click that little fester in the corner. Subscribe to my channel and also ring the bell, folks, and that will give you notifications of upcoming content. Until then, thank you for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye for now.